This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change notification style on Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you're using Xiaomi phone and you maybe feel bored with the old style notification and maybe you want to change it into the other style, you can do this. So first of all, of course, we have to open our settings on your phone. You can go to settings. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option notification and status bar. And you'll find notification style on notification section. There is an option notification style. You can tap on that. Here there is two options, the Android one and the classic one. On Xiaomi there is only two options for your notification shade style. By default, my notification style is using the Android style. But if you get bored, you want to change it into classic, you can just choose on classic. You can see the differences here. If you're using the classic one, the notification icon is bigger than the Android one. You can also see for the icon here there is color for the icon, but if you choose the Android, the icon is different, it's more smaller and like this. I will choose classic one because I feel bored using the Android. So anytime you want to change your notification style, you can do this way. You can just open your settings, go to your notification and status bar, notification style, and here you can change your notification shade. So that is how to change your notification style on Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!